Hello ladies, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, the beauty box that I have been talking about. Wanted to give you guys a close-up. This is the double decker, I call it. It's got 2 zipper compartments. This is the cool. These are the warm shades. You get to choose one or the other, but every beauty box comes with 2 Genefique, which is Exclusive Serum and facial moisturizers, mascara primer, mascara makeup remover, and an eyeliner. Hello from the makeup counter. This is behind the scenes. You guys have got to sample the brand new fragrance from Lancome Luxury Experience. It is wonderful, wonderful, ladies. It is so nice to be able to work. Here is our free 7-piece gift with purchase. One of 3 different color bag choices, 3 different moisturizers, one of 3 different eyeshadow and lipstick choices, all for $37.50. You get a 7-piece free gift. You can come in and sample anything. You are entitled to free samples. We provide foundation matching with 10-day free samples to take home with you. This is our cover-up makeup powder and blush bronzer sampler. This is what we match your foundations with. Look at this mirror, check it out. That's really nice. And ladies, Lancome has some of the best premium skincare out there. The Precious Cells, these actually have peptides that rebuild the nuclear cells from that level, from the very first level, from the inside out. There's not many products that can rebuild precious cells. Elastin, elasticity. These are all the different lines, cleansers, makeup.
Did you find something?
So come visit me at Lancome. I'd be happy to help you. Merry Christmas.